Welcome to Colmena Barbecue. My name is Antonio Colmenares, and today we made this delicious, amazing salmon with corn salad. Look, that plate, that dish is stunning. You love it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put this corn on the grill to make the corn salad for the old smoked salmon. Okay, we start with the salmon. Right now we trim the salmon like this. This part here is very thin, so we need just trim that part there, and you can deserve this part for like put in the smoker. Is cooked very fast, and you can like a bite is very good. So for now we put this part here and start to put the condiments on the salmon. So I start with the olive oil. I put olive oil on the salmon, very even for the briner, and I put my whatever rub on this salmon. Put the rub even, very even on the salmon. You see here it's going too even. Pass again, just for cover all that meat on the pan. When you put all the condiment there, wait 20 minutes to all the ingredients is inside to the salmon. This is our corn grilled. Looks very well, but you need try to see that corn charred. If you see, I turn out right now the corn, and all this here is charred. So do you need that? That is what I looking in the corn. Grilled corn, charred, and will be good, fantastic. Okay, our salmon is ready to go to the smoker. We put the salmon in the cooling rack here, and now we put the salmon in the smoker. The smoker is running right now at 300, and put the salmon there and wait for reach internal at 140 Fahrenheit internal. That is will be done and will be perfect. Okay, our corn is ready. Just take it out from the grill, put in this bowl, and it will be ready for the salad. Now we cut the corners off to make the salad like this. We have 8 corn for 6 people. Okay, for the salad, for our corn salad, 8 corn grilled and charred, 1 pound of cherry tomatoes, 2 cups of Parmesan cheese Reggiano or Reggiano Parmesan cheese, and 20 leaves of basil. We need vinegar, balsamic, sea salt, and olive oil. It's just simple. You put all the cherry tomato inside the bowl, half the corn, put the albahacas, the basil. Albahacas is in Spanish. Basil, and put all the cheese there. It's a lot of cheese. This is the secret. So here I don't have any measure for this, just I put like a chef measurement. You can test all the ingredients, and if you see you need more vinegar or more oil, is your taste, it's your preference. I put the olive oil and put the salt. Put the salt, that's it, and just put all the ingredients together. If you use a spatula, it's better, but we are here in the backyard. I use my glove, my hand, and mix all together. The salad look fantastic, you see? It look very, very good. Okay, we check the salmon right now. In the middle is 101. We need this salmon at 140, so it's not ready yet. All salmon is ready to go. If you see here, the red 137, 140 there is. So this salmon is ready. 140 for everything. This salmon is ready. 139. So we put lid off the pit and bring our plate or dish amazing. Okay, our salmon is ready. I put the salmon on the table, rest here like 5 minutes, and that's it. It's looked amazing. So I cut this salmon here for make a portion for our plate. I take this here and put there for make the plate. So I use this vinegar balsamic glaze just for like a pretty plate, and put like just like a decoration. You can, this is up to you. If you make the dish more better, more pretty, you can take the Parmesan cheese and put it on the plate. Take the salad. We have here our salad, and put in the middle. Like this. Look amazing. And take very careful the salmon and just in the middle. And our salmon is ready to go. This dish is unbelievable. The family, your wife, your kid is enjoy this dish. So enjoy.